unless the fuels that we use in our vehicles. And we can do this at a large enough scale to someday help meet the world's energy demands.
Sure, it didn't do enough for me. If anything, it was a little too much. But the moment they had my money, nothing. No phone calls, no feedback, no, here's how your money's doing. I mean, here's a little sign that just says, surprise me.
A go-to person to help you get started.
So you put Piggy in front of me? Hi, Mom.
No extra charge. Talk to Chuck.
Now you clean them?
Most beers made with 4 ingredients. For me, that's
FIFA and yellow. Make sure FIFA's at least going the right way.
There you go, FIFA. There you go, yellow.
Go, FIFA.
FIFA's Olympic soccer player.
Yeah, she goes so far, so fast.
What happened, Godzilla? You're heading the wrong way. Godzilla. This is the first one that stood up and went anywhere.
Credit card debt grown into an enormous obstacle in your life?
Because I'm going for some side boob.
Credit card companies make a fortune
Oh,
off
FIFA's on her way in. Open up.
Hang on.
companies don't want you to hear. A powerful little secret that can take down the largest debt.
The whole gang, how cute.
Consumer debt advocate.
Now,
954-6810. We'll give you the information credit card
but yeah, don't
companies
lick
don't want you
them.
to know. Information you can use to destroy your debt. You could save
Who's the
lot
pig of the
and
group?
more importantly, knock down your debt.
Let me get a zoom. Oh, how's that close?
Call Consumer Debt Advocate right now. Destroying full information at 1-800-954-6810.
It's not on one.
1-800-954-6810.
You're on one?
1-800-954-6810.
All the happy puppies wag their tail. Yay!
That sounds pretty good.
There's a happy puppy.
You could be excited.
You're one of the rarest gems ever. Maybe hiding in plain sight. Oh, whoa! Then it's him. Man,